Jai Gurudev students. Today we are going to study letter writing. It's not a new topic for you. Already we have done in our previous classes also. So let us start with letter writing. We are going to study today kinds and examples. First of all, what is letter writing? Letters are an effective means of communication. In spite of the advent of modern technologies like cell phones and SMS, letters still hold their importance and prominence place in the field of communication. That means in olden days we are using letter writing. Today we are having cell phones. We can SMS anyone, but still letter has a very important place and it is prominent also. Very popular means of communication. Commerce, trade, official correspondence, public representation, complaints and other dealings, transactions and communication with people are still conducted through letters. Today also we are doing our trade, business work, some public representation, some complaints, some other dealings, for writing in applications, for transactions, we are writing letter. We are conducting this whole thing through letters. So let us see the types or kinds of letters. There are two main kinds of letter. They are formal letters and informal letters. Now, what is informal letter? These letters are written to friends and relatives. These are informal in the manner of language, style, and content. These are expressive, emotional, and personal. The purpose of an informal letter is only to exchange news and information regarding friends and family. From the name itself, informal, we come to know that it is not a formal thing. So these letters are written to our friends, relatives. You can write to uncle, aunt, parents, or any other relation. These are informal in the manner of language. You should not be formal for this. Any informal way of writing you will use. Your style, your content, everything will be informal. You are going to express your feelings, your emotional. You are writing personal thing. It's the purpose of an informal letter is only to exchange news, information regarding friends and family. So you can ask them, how are you? What are you doing? Okay. How everything is going on? All such type of things. Any informal way you are going to ask them. Now next is formal letter. These letters are written within formal situation. Now in informal letter we are only using a simple language. We are writing to our relatives, we are writing to our friends. But formal letters are written in a formal way. These are written to organizations, institutions, that means for the schools, firms, government authorities, editors and school authorities, etc. We are going to write these letters to organizations, institutions, any industries, that is firm, government authorities, letter to editor. We are going to write to editors and even a school, that is to a principal or any other applications. Okay. Now there are different kinds of formal letters. Letter of inquiry. Now what is this letter? Letter of inquiry. These letters are written when a person wants to get more information about the product or service, or to obtain a quotation for purchasing a product or service. These letters are the most common form of formal letter. For inquiring anything, for getting more information of the product or service, you are going to write this letter, inquiry letter. Next is letter to editor. Now what is letter to the editor? Now these letters are usually written on a topic of general concern and to influence of public opinion. Here you are going to give suggestions also on an issue concerning public interest. You have some complaints, you have some requests that you are going to write in the letter to the editor. Next is your placing the order. Placing for an order means these are business letters and are written when a customer or an organization wants to place an order for product or say goods for another company or organization. This may also include letters of for cancellation or amendments to order placed, as well as acknowledgement of orders placed. For example, you are demanding, you are a librarian and you are demanding for books for your school. So you are going to write the placing the order letter. Now here you are going to write to a particular shopkeeper. You are going to write about how many books you needed. You are going to place the order for the books. Then for cancellation also, sometime if you don't want, you can cancel. Then amendments, if you have some changes in your order, you can amend. So this is placing the order. Now next is applications. Now what is applications? You all know. You are writing to principal, you are writing to your teachers for any job. That is called applications. Next is your complaint letters. As the name suggests itself, these letters are written to lodge a complaint. The complaint letters can be addressed to public, private company or organization. Anywhere you have a complaint, then you are going to write this letter. Next is your letter of request. Now in this letter you are going to request, okay, for some changes, that is why. So we are going to study all this, but today we are going to study the main for only one letter, that is letter to the editor.